This is a small experiment for class 6 students. You first started learning what is light. You know, we cannot see light. How do you know? Because I am visible, but you cannot see that the light is coming on me. This light is not visible. Similarly, I have a Buddha statue here, and you can see it very clearly because light falls on it, and then this light reaches your eye, and therefore you can see this. But there are materials which can obstruct light. Like this is a material, this is called transparent. Through this you can see very clearly as you were earlier seeing, but maybe little bit distortion there will be, but still it is transparent. This is called transparent. This is a kind of material which is called translucent. That means you cannot see very clearly, but there is a faintly you can see that there is something behind that. Maybe you can imagine that this is a statue of Buddha. That may be possible. But if I take a thick sheet of paper, you cannot see anything. So this is an opaque object, this is a translucent, and this is transparent. These things all of you know. So these are the characterization, different materials through which light can pass or maybe slightly pass. And another thing I should say, you have seen that if in a paper you rub some oil, then that becomes translucent. That is because its property with respect to the light changes, and therefore a paper can be made translucent by putting some oil in it. Thank you.